Hello, everyone. I'm Qian Zephaniah. You know, yesterday I came here. I was really worried about the weather. I thought it would be cold. So I wear a lot of clothes. But this morning when I woke up, it's heat. Really like Benjamin, one song is called Hot Like Jamaica. Yeah. Well, I want to do one Benjamin's poem, which I feel really hard feeling in this time, which is people need people. Pardon my English. I'm still studying, actually. Benjamin said, oh, do you still want to go to Brunei to study your English? And I said, well, I want to keep a company with you first. That's what I will talk it later. People need people to work to talk to cry and rely on. People will always need people to love and to miss, to hug and to kiss. It's useful to have other people. To whom will you mourn if you are all alone? It's so hard to share when no one's there. In 2023, March, I got really sick. And Benjamin couldn't figure out what it was going on. And I was in hospital. Benjamin was looking after me. He trying to find out the doctor around the world to survive me. And eventually, I went to Nottingham, Queen's Medical Center, and I got survived. He's been looking after me for almost 5 or 6 months. After I came out from hospital in September, and then in October, Benjamin got diagnosed with brain tumor. And then, really, we didn't got time, we didn't got chance to survive him, although we're trying to find the doctor. Even we're trying to find the doctor who suggested me to go to Queen's Medical Center, Sir John Bell, and he said, sorry, Benjamin's situation was so serious. And everybody knows he passed away on the 7th of December, tragically. Even back then, I was so positive because I was almost died 3 times. So I think, oh, Benjamin, you only got 1 time, you can beat it. But he was so serious, and he passed away. And then I talked to agent said, okay, you should publish it in your social media and people will capture. And then I got letter from Professor Andrews, told me that Brunel is behind me. Brunel will support me. So really Brunel and a lot of friends, they are by my behind support me. And all the people who send the lovely message in the social media to encourage me to carry on Benjamin's legacy. So that's why today I use this poem, People Need People. It means a lot. Thank you so much. Let me carry on my poem. I haven't finished it yet. To please, to tease, to put you at ease, people will always need people. To make life appealing, to give life some meaning, it's useful to have other people. If you need a lesson, from whom you learn. If you need to change, to whom will you turn? If you need to play, you will know why I say, people will always need people. Previously, Benjamin and I always do boxing. Now he's not with me. I need somebody to play boxing with me. Yeah. as girlfriend, as boyfriend, from China to England. Sorry, for this point, I change a bit. You know, I'm from China. I would say it is really Benjamin found me. We met in China. Benjamin went to China, and he do martial arts a lot. When we met, we start playing Tai Chi. Later on, you can say some master will show the demo. You can learn from him today. Please do that. Yeah, so, you know, Benjamin found me. I'm lucky, and I think he's the most lucky man. Thank you. Yeah. Yes? Who's that? Who? Eh? Oh, yeah, I haven't finished yet. People will always need people. To please, to tease. Oh, no, sorry. Yeah, you interrupt me. To have friendly fight ways. That's the boxing, that's the martial arts. And share tasty bite ways. I don't have sweet tooth, Benjamin got. He finished his food, always want some sweet cake or chocolate. If he didn't hide it, he would say, my dinner hasn't finished. Even by the midnight, he wants some sweet. It's really weird for me because I can have sweet with chili. And he said, oh, you're a weirdo. People will always meet people. People from families, gangs, possess and packs. It seems we need company before relax. So stop making enemies and let's face the facts. People will always need people. Now, can I please ask you, we can repeat together, people need people 3 times. 1, 2, 3. People will always need people. People will always need people. People will always need people. Yes. Benjamin needs you. I need you. We need each other. Thank you.